Another one is
ishomero rya Ntare School Mbarara niryo rajwe cyera amashomero ga secondary omumpaka zo kuhajana bwa nyuma yo kusinga kigeze high school rero parent oke ya Bushenyi esingiraga ndo kwetorero rihanga ryona omumpaka zo kuhajana za primary obwero kusinga Uganda Matters Primary School Mbarara kandaga gombi Ntare School amwe na parent oke ya Bushenyi negija kujwe cyera Uganda muri Arusha Tanzania.
One of our major objectives is to take parliament to the people. It polishes our listening skills, it polishes our reading skills, it polishes our writing skills, which are core in communication.
Bamwe mu beji ba parent oke ya Primary School Bushenyi abarumurini osingire bona akatunge kirabo hamwe n'abandi tugambireho nabo.
I give thanks to Aisha, I give thanks to Angel, I give thanks to all my team.
Policies that we can make, that the government can do, and also how individuals can take part in solving the problem at the end.
We took that trophy, but it's all because of God. Yes, we invested our energy, we worked hard, but without God we couldn't do anything.
Bamwe mu beje nibagirango kuhaja no kuntu kwija kutungura intaranta zabo nangwa no kwego kuba kubasa kutura n'abantu mu nsomo.
Jezire twakapotasi twasemizi batwera ngati base cooperating hamwe twamanya openness bitu every bibenda kweta twa engaging mu debate mbarisire na kuchimwe twabasa kusinga tournament.
It's like every time, and we dedicated our holidays for this, and I'm happy that we are ready. We have imagined the second because of our hard work.
I was one of the best speakers, that is why I have a lot of medals here, and thanks to Ntare School, thanks to the school administration that we've made it this far.
Gesha kwa Mike watu achire.